Friends, in the last video I have told about how to draw a complete rainbow using turtle, and today's topic is containers. There are basically three kinds of containers: list, tuples and maps. Today we will do lists. We use square brackets in lists. We can append or delete the list items. Now I will show you how to make lists. First I will go on Python. For making lists, I will make a list named Harry Potter movies. I will write their names in short form because if I will write their name in full form it will be too long. First I will write Harry Potter 1. I will write it in short form. If I will write it in full form it will be too long because it is Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. Now Harry Potter 2. Then Harry Potter 3. Now I will close square brackets, then enter. Now I will see my lists are working or not. So I will print it. Print. Now I will copy Harry Potter movies. Now I will copy it and paste Harry Potter movie. Print. Then enter. See, my list is working. Now I will tell the release year when the movies was released. So Harry Harry Potter underscore release year equal to the first movie was released in 2001. Then the second movie was released in 2002 and the third movie was released in 2004. Then enter. Now I will see my Harry Potter release year is working or not. Print. Now I will copy Harry Potter release year and paste it. Now I have copied it. Now I will paste it and enter. See, my Harry Potter release years list is also working. Now I will show you how to append or delete items. First I will append Harry Potter 4. So I will copy Harry Potter movies. I have copied and now I will paste. Now I will paste it. Yes, now it is pasted. So I will dot append Now I will append Harry Potter 4. Harry Potter 4. Then enter. Now I will see it is working or not. Now I will copy print Harry Potter movies. Now I have copied it. Now I will paste it. Now I will enter. See, now the Harry Potter 4 is added in this list. Now I will delete, no, I will add 2005 in Harry Potter 4, no, Harry Potter release year, because Harry Potter 4 was released in 2005. So I will copy it and then paste. Dot append. Now 2005, then enter. Now I will see it is working or not. Now I will copy print release here. I have copied it. Now I will paste. Then enter. See, 2005 is added. Now I will show you how to delete items. Now I will delete Harry Potter 4. So for this I will type del, and now I will copy Harry Potter. Now I will copy Harry Potter movies, and then now I will copy Harry Potter movies and now paste it. Now there should be gap between del and this list name. Now I will put square bracket and I will want to delete Harry Potter 4. Now I will delete Harry Potter 4. The computer starts the index from 0 to number you have told. So the Harry Potter 1's index is 0, Harry Potter 2's index is 1, and Harry Potter 3's index is 2, and Harry Potter's 4 index is 3. So I will delete 3. So the Harry Potter 4 will be deleted. Then enter. Now I will see it is deleted or not. I will copy print Harry Potter movies. Now I have copied it and now paste it. Then enter. See, Harry Potter 4 is deleted. Now I will delete 2005. For deleting, I will copy del Harry Potter till underscore. Then copy. Then paste. Harry Potter release year. Then 2005 came on 3. So I will write 3 and then close bracket. Then enter. Now I will see it is working or not. So I will copy print Harry Potter release year. I have copied it. Now I will paste it. Then enter. See, it is working. So you can also try this, and I will see you in next video. Thank you for watching our video. Bye bye.